Genes make us who we are. Are we tall or short? Do we have blue eyes or brown eyes? Our genes hold our answers. What if part of a gene is defective or missing? Or if a gene changes or mutates, it can cause a disease, like cancer. This is gene therapy. Gene therapy is a type of treatment that involves altering genes inside your body cells to stop a disease. When gene therapy is done, it replaces the bad gene or as a new gene in order to attempt to cure a disease or improve your abilities to fight that disease. This may allow doctors in the future to be able to treat a disorder by inserting a gene into patient cells instead of using drugs or surgery. How do they do it? Say scientists want to add back a healthy copy of a gene to cells. They need an efficient way to do it, so scientists use vectors or vehicles to deliver a gene. The healthy gene hitches a ride in the vector. Viruses are one kind of vector. Scientists modify a virus to remove its ability to cause a disease. The modified virus can then be used to carry the healthy gene into a cell. Gene therapy can happen on the cells inside the body or can happen on the cells outside, and then transplanted back in again. These are potential benefits of gene therapy. With genetic disorders, the only way of curing the disease is by replacing the defective gene with a healthy copy. Therefore, gene therapy is the only hope of finding cures for such disorders. Another potential benefit of gene therapy is that if gene therapy targets the reproductive cells of the disease, it is possible that any children that the patient goes on to have would be free of the defective gene. This could help the disease be wiped out completely. Lastly, another potential benefit of gene therapy is that if gene therapy were to be successful, it can have advantages over drug therapy, such as providing a cure rather than just easing the symptoms. These are the potential drawbacks of gene therapy. Short-lived nature of gene therapy is a problem because before gene therapy can become a permanent cure for any condition, the therapeutic DNA introduced to the cells must stay functional and the cells containing the therapeutic DNA must be long-lived and stable. Problems with the interrogating therapeutic DNA into the genome and the quick dividing nature of many cells prevent gene therapy from achieving any long-term benefits. Patients will then have to undergo multiple rounds of gene therapy, which isn't really good and it will cost more. To conclude, the positive aspect of gene therapy is apparent. It can wipe out genetic disease before they can begin and eliminate suffering for future generations. Gene therapy is also a good technique for diseases not researched yet. All of us could carry defective genes and may not know it. Gene therapy is a medicine for the future since it can control or eliminate hereditary diseases. It is clear gene therapy will have an effect on the future of genetics. I think with careful planning and regulation, gene therapy will become the medicine of the near future.